What was we thinking here? I thought I was going to start about 5. Good. I'll charge for these on the only pan. So look what we got. Right, good morning, it's Friday morning. It's a beautiful day today actually, a bit of a difference. We've had some real bad weather the last couple of days. Morning to, oh. No, joking apart, says on our way up now. Today we've got a bit of a fault finding mission. We've got someone dropping a Fiat 500 diesel, 1.3 diesel, which she did bring it in the other day, and we've done some fault finding on it for her. And we found out that there was a loose earth strap because she was cutting out. We seem to have fixed that and it doesn't cut out anymore, but she apparently now gets an oil light come on randomly and the engine starts playing up. Now I don't know exactly how it's playing up, or whether there's anything major wrong with it, or it's just a faulty switch. So we've said that we're gonna we've asked her to drop it down, we're gonna have a look at it, and I'm gonna drive it over a bit of a longer period and see if it plays up for us, because it didn't happen the other day and it is only occasional. So fingers crossed we can find this fault for it. It's not one of our cars, we never sold it, but she's local to us and she knows that we deal with the Fiat 500s, and fingers crossed that, you know, we can put our finger on the issue and get it sorted for her, because it has been a bit of a troublesome car. So that'll be down later, and we're going to take you out for a little drive and see if we can find the fault. We're going to take the launch diagnostic tool with us, and if we do get a light come up, we're going to plug it in straight away and see if it's showing a code. That is the problem. There's been no codes really. The only code that it showed was the loose earth strap. So hoping that it's a sensor. We've asked her to bring the service history in as well, just to see whether it's someone's, because we do think somebody else has been working on this trying to find it, and I know that it has not long had a service as well, oil and filter change. Has that got something to do with it? I do not know. If you've got any ideas, drop it down in the comments now. It is a 2012 or 2013 1.3 diesel. If you know about it and the oil light has come on your car, or you've worked on a car that's got a random oil light flash up and the engine start playing up, or even cutting out, then let us know in the comments now. So look what we got. Been waiting for this.
We have. I'm going to try and get into it now.
What is it? What is it? I've spilled my drink again, or someone has. Something going on here. I better get out of the way before I get into trouble. Sarah's excited about this little package here, because this is our new sponsor.
It is our new sponsor.
So
they are called Holy.
Thank you very much, Holy, for sponsoring this video.
Shaken.
This is exciting, isn't it?
Hydration drinks. So we've got some sachets in there, different flavours. Not sure what flavours they do actually. Let's have a quick look. Strawberry and kiwi, pineapple, coconut, lemon, sour cherry, white peach and pear. You can have the pear, Greg. Also got the energy drinks as well. What flavours have we got in these?
More shake, is it now?
Raspberry Raptor, Citrus Cobra, Strawberry Shark,
Oh dear.
Lion's Lemonade, Pomegranate Piranha, Cactus Camel, and Gorilla's Grape. And if you use the code VALETING, you get 10% off any purchase. If you are a first time customer and you use the code VALE5,
you get £5 off your first order.
You do?
Right, so I'm thinking,
Hey,
oh, I forgot to take that out, look.
what an idiot.
I've watched the cup say it, left the instructions in there. I'm thinking water first, not powder first, because if you put the powder first and put the water in, then the powder can stay as a bit of a lump at the bottom. So put your water in first, then add the powder. Oh, you've got a shaker with it, haven't you? Look at that. Bless you. And again?
Nope.
Yep.
Just one.
Sure. Okay. So
I'm having an energy one.
Which one are you having now?
An energy one.
Energy? That's a hydration.
Oh, hydration.
I want the pear one.
Right, okay. Pear?
You red pear.
Oh, that's the hydration one.
I'm going to have a hydration one.
Oh,
now.
no, sorry. Grape.
No, I want pear. That's not grape. Pear. Oh, you got sour cherry. I might like that as well. I like sour. I'm quite excited.
I'm going to have a lime.
Coconut. Pear. So, have you added the water?
No.
Let's get the water in. I'm going to go for 3/4 full.
Okay, come on.
You can do 3/4 full?
Just do half, that'll do.
Half. Give it a little shaker. Oh, look at that. It's like when you was a kid and you had sherbet lemons. So you put your lid on, it's got the shaker in it.
Fruitylicious.
Right, so let's try it then. There's actually pear.
Lemonade, mine is.
Oh, that's really refreshing. Do you want to try mine?
I don't really like pear, but I'll try it. Do you want to try mine?
Market research purposes. That's strong, isn't it? Lemon. Limon.
Lemonade.
Limon. Very nice. That is refreshing, that one.
Very nice.
Oh,
You're
lovely.
going to be really energised today, aren't you?
Well, how long have we got here?
Hydration.
We've got like, if we had one a day, we've got like a month worth here.
Yeah.
So it works out in like pennies. It's less than like a drink that you buy in the shop. So think ahead, buy ahead, and buy it in bulk, and you get it cheaper because you're only going to go to the shop anyway and buy something. So why not try Holy? Because it tastes really good.
It does taste really nice.
Real nice flavours. I can't wait to try them all. So once again, thanks Holy for sponsoring this video. Right, so we're in the black Fiat 500 diesel. We're taking it out on test drive. We've literally got this until tomorrow lunchtime. So I'm just going to drive it for a couple of hours, see if any faults choose to show themselves on the dashboard. Currently, there's no problem whatsoever. It's driving absolutely perfect. But that's the name of the game. And if an intermittent fault might not show its face, what do I do? So I'm just gonna drive it for a little bit, put a few miles on it. Hopefully it shows itself. We'll plug her in and it shows a code. At the minute there's no codes, so there's not a lot that I can do other than just keep driving. After test driving it now for about an hour and a half, I can't find any fault with the car. It's showing no fault codes. I've spoke to the customer. They've assured me that it has had a recent service, oil and filter change, and it's also had a oil pressure sensor. So they're the first things that I would have pointed to anyway. The next thing, you've either got a wiring issue from the ECU to the pressure sensor, which isn't a very good scenario, but it's obviously a better scenario than if the oil pump was going. We've checked the pressures on live data and it seems to be okay. I mean, how long you can watch it for, I do not know. It could be an intermittent pump. It is just one of these cars that has got a fault that just doesn't want to show itself till it chooses to do so. Now, the other option we got is to take the sump off and check the pickup pipe. Now, I do know on these multi-jet engines, they can be susceptible to the oil pickup pipe cracking, especially if they've had the sump off. So let's go and have a look to see if it's had a new sump. Now, you can't see that, but the sump doesn't look all that old. Whether she's had a sump replaced recently, and then we can probably move forward from there. But we're not going to be able to resolve this without doing some work to it. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful. So just a quick one, it's the weekend and it's a bank holiday weekend. I made the decision yesterday to tell the customer with the black Fiat 500 that the next plan of action is to take the sump off, clean the strainer and remove the oil pickup pipe and check that for any cracks. Obviously we'd have to replace the oil and a new filter as well at the time while we do it. So I mean, that's all I can say, fingers crossed. That's the next cheapest point of call and next slice of the cake to try. So
talking of cakes,
it's Ted and Ruby's birthday.
Isn't it, Ted? You just had your birthday cake.
Yeah. And he wants some more cake now. He wants a Nutella one. You can't have that one. So let us know in the comments what you think and what you'd try on that, and if anyone's got any previous experience of having the same intermittent fault. You got my feet in there. I'll charge for these on the only pans.
Holy pants.
Do you know what I mean? Links in the description below. Right, that'll do for now. We're having a barbecue, so see you in the morning. Right, so what else could we do better on a bank holiday than looking at the auction sites? So we've come across, which we didn't realise, which starts in about 10 minutes time. There's a motorhome and caravan auction on BCA. Now we're having a quick flick through them now. There's some of them, most of them have got something wrong with them cosmetically usually. It doesn't really give you a grading on there, so you have to sort of go by luck. But as you know, we do our own checks using
vehicle score.
Now, what score have we got on this first one?
We've got a score of 692, which isn't bad. It does say there's a score impact and it does say there's a mileage discrepancy.
Oh.
The average mileage is very low.
Sell it? 4 So
you have a look at some of the regs if you can.
I can't log in.
Why?
It's not telling you.
Ask the question, full on goes fee, warning, goes once, full on goes twice, fee, warning, go down and 4. Next we're on to caravan and number 2. Is Jan 2003 on a 52, not warranted at 51,000 miles. Just the 3 owners in the book as well on this one. Got the awning. Okay, so it's an insurance total loss category N. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you've read that. So hold start with a bid on this and bit of the go. Bids coming through, bit of the go 4 at 1. 4,001 bit of the go.
Insurance loss.
43 bit of the go 5. 45 up bit of the go. 45 up bit of the go 6. 46 up bit of the go. Semi advance up bit of the go 5 2. 52 up bit of the go. 52 up bit of the go 3. 53 bit of the go 4. It's an insurance total loss. Make sure you've heard a bit of the go 5.
The what?
How do I do it on yours?
It was on.
Yeah, I know.
Into sale.
8, 58 a bit of a go, submitting the highest a bit of a go, 9, 59, it's now on sale at 6,000 a bit of a go, 1, 61 a bit of a go, any advance a bit of a goes well fee, warning a bit of a go, 2, 62 a bit of a go, the hammer's up, 62 bit of a goes once at 3, 63 a bit of a go, 16 bit of a go, 4, 64 a bit of a go, the hammer's up, fee, warning a bit of a going once, 64 going twice, fee, warning a bit of a go, 5, 65 a bit of a go, 65 going once, 65 a bit of a go, 6, hammers up and selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen, going once, 66 going twice for the final warning a bit of a go, 66.
What was we thinking here? I thought that was going to start about 5.
I was just on the budget line, mate.
It's half as old as me. Sometimes I feel like my wheels are falling off.
She's an MOT.
Yeah.
A service.
Yeah. You wouldn't get a lot from me at auction. I'm going to have a bid on this. 26.5.
You've bid 6 top.
Yeah, it's gone up to 7. These are sought after, these are. I know it's old, but the VW saying loves them. Do you know what I mean? Really? You don't have to punch me when you put
I'm
them
hitting the
down.
hammer on you.
Oh, dear, well, thank you.
It's not me, it's the hammer.
Look at this one as well. Oh, look what it's starting at. 2005. 11.5 grand. The hammer's not up yet. The hammer's not ready.
Hammer's up.
It's provisional, provisional.
My hammer's up.
On sale.
What do you mean on sale?
That means it can sell now.
Just past reserve.
Yeah.
Thought you got money off if you brought it. It's on sale, isn't it?
Yeah. The price is going up, not down.
Oh, yeah, well, give us a sale.
Hello, Rubers. Hello, Tedders. Right, so we didn't do very good on that again, did we? They were either too old or too expensive.
Even the old ones are going for.
The old ones, even the old ones were too old and expensive. The newer ones were just too expensive. And there was some with a fair bit of damage. You had to be very careful and read the description because you could get caught out on that. There's roof damage, bumper damage, water ingress, windows broke,
Damp.
no keys. Yeah, damp, water ingress.
Oh. Damp.
Damp. So I don't know. It's very tricky buying on there, I think, and you could get caught out. But yeah, we're not having much luck, are we?
No, hopefully we'll have more luck on Wednesday when we go down to the auction, because last Wednesday was absolutely dead, wasn't it?
Yeah, there was nothing there.
Nothing there.
And then there was no auction on the bank holiday Monday, which is today. So we're thinking Wednesday is going to be quite busy. Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Let's hope so.
Let's hope so.
Let's
do it again. Let's do it again. Once again, thank you to all of our sponsors. Vehicle Score. Don't forget, you can get 20% off when you use the code VALE20. Top Don, Launch, and our new sponsor, Holy. All the links are down in the description down below. And thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed, liked, commented any of our videos. Keep going, just leave a comment down below, click the like button, and don't forget, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Thanks to everyone that watches. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.
That's good, that.
Thank you.
'Cause you know